In progreso king ekonomiya king bansa, partikular na king Luzon, ing binida king economic briefing na penimunaning BSP o Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. ID report.
Penimunanin ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas o BSP ing Philippine Economic Briefing Clark Leg aming temang Building Better, Delivering More kete king Hilton Clark Sun Valley Resort. Kareng presentasyon at diskusyon dinake dareng economic managers, reng opisyal ning gobyerno at tubod ning pribadong sektor, ing pekabayong update, di kiling kabilyan ning ekonomiya, reng inisyatiba king regional panyulong, makanyan mo rin ning plano para king pamamuhunan at infrastruktura. Kabilang king binida king report ing Luzon Economic Corridor a inisyatibo ning Pilipinas, Japan at Amerika. Bang igit ya pang pasiknangan ning Central Luzon bilang agri-industrial hub at global gateway. Bigleleng US inisyala $3.8 million para king pamanalakad king 212-kilometer freight train amanuglong king Subic, Clark, Bulacan, Metro Manila hanggang Batangas.
Napakaswerte ng Clark dahil nalagay kaagad ang magagandang infrastructure, facilities, all the roads, and the train is starting. And because Clark is now strategically positioned towards the development of the North Luzon Economic Corridor, we are exerting more efforts to bring in investors and investments. And we're working very hard on that.
Layo na mo naman ning Luzon Economic Corridor ing makapanamuyot kapitalista king semiconductors, data centers, logistics, renewable energy, food security, pharmaceuticals, ampong turismo. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.